This is the Helpful Lockpicker here, and the video I have for you today is a package that I got in from Briarberrycove. I believe it contains a few locks and some picks. I'm pretty excited to check it out. I know that there's one American lock in here he wants me to try to pick for him. Hopefully some of these locks will be good to use in an upcoming giveaway down the road. Excited to see what we have inside here. Let's see. Alright, so we got it bagged up, a good assortment of locks, and here's the American lock he wanted me to try to pick open. He said he thinks some of the springs are compressed and it is going to be hard to get that open. Let's see, the rest of the contents of the box, there's one more thing in here, and let's see what else we got. I think that's about it. So let's take a look through all of these. So we have this American lock, which will be pretty cool to work on, Series 600. And then I think this must be the picks that he made. Just trying to be gentle with this. I don't want to bend any of the metal here. So let's try using the scissors here. So I believe he said one was like a postal hook. Let's see what we got. Okay. So this is a nice little hook, and I like the metal handle on that. That feels pretty good. It's got some good reach to the pick. Then we have another one. I like how he thinned down the handle a little bit. That's good. It's got a nice little reach on it as well. And here's the postal hook. Now this one, now that is a deep hook right there. So those are pretty cool. Let me quickly, while I have them out here, let's check out how thick they are. Got my caliper here. Alright, so this one's reading about 0.025 to 0.024. This one, about 0.025 to 0.026. And this one, about 0.026. Oh, hold on. About 0.024. Alright, thank you very much for these picks, Briarberrycove. I really like to try to use them and try them out. They are very nice looking. And let's see what we have for some locks in here now. Alright, so this first one here is the Grinch. This is the challenge lock that he made for me. And we'll try to get that opened up in a future video. It's a Yale style lock. Key works pretty well, and it's got some decent bitting on it, so you'll try to get this one open. And then we have a lock. It's called National. Looks like it has the quick set keyway, and we have this lock says Kowiener, so it's one of those cheap brand, but it kind of looks like a Yale. Let me see if this key fits in the... Yep, so that's a Yale style lock here. Now we have a quick set lock with a plug and some pins, and a key in here, so we'll take a look at that. That'd be a cool little lock for someone to learn to put together. The same thing on this lock. It looks like it's completely taken apart. Maybe that's the quick set keyway. Can't really tell from the package here, but that's pretty cool. Thank you. Here looks like it's probably a little wafer lock or something. This is a cool little lock. Actually, that's probably not a wafer lock. Doesn't look like one. And then finally, we get that key in after, is another quick set lock. This will be pretty cool. So this is a pretty good collection. I highly recommend when people are first learning to learn on quick sets, these make some really great locks. I hope to have a small giveaway down the road to hopefully give people a chance to get some locks to work on. But either way, Briarberrycove, thank you so much for sending me this. I'll try to get this American lock open for you. I really enjoy the picks, they're very cool. If you guys have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. As always, thank you so much for checking this out, and I hope you have a great day.